The communities along the Cambodian border are faced with shortages of finance, of money, because there's not enough work. This lack of money leads them to purchase low-quality foods, often feeding their children just on rice milk.
ខ្ញុំបានមានកូន4នាក់មុនពេលដែលមានពេល3ខែមានជំងឺច្រើនដូចជារាគហើយនឹងក្អួតក្តៅខ្លួនទៅខ្ញុំយកទៅពេទ្យញឹកញាប់
The young mothers are unable to give their children nutrition to grow successfully, and this leads to poor nutrition and stunting.
Our vision is we want to see all the children growing up with healthier, and we want the better future for all family in Cambodia. Taking good care in the first subsequent day of life, the children will grow with healthier. They can have a bright future with their good health, get good education, good job in the future.
Samaritan's Purse goes into a community and forms care groups with mothers of children of similar ages, and to that care group we give timed, targeted training. So for that period in the mother's pregnancy, they have the specific knowledge they need to deliver the nutrition and the care that that baby needs.
ខ្ញុំបានរៀនមេរៀនចេះជាច្រើនចេះអនាម័យកូនចេះមើលថែកូនពេលកូនក្តៅខ្លួនចាហើយកូនមានរាគរូសក្អួតខ្ញុំចេះថែកូន
And the special thing that is very important is about sharing the gospel and telling them about the love and the hope of Jesus Christ.
បានទៅទេមែនទេចាអញ្ចឹងព្រះអង្គសុខចិត្តមកប្រសូតនៅ
ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថាព្រះអង្គជួយសង្គ្រោះខ្ញុំហើយជួយសង្គ្រោះឲ្យពលឹងរបស់ខ្ញុំវិញ្ញាណរបស់ខ្ញុំឲ្យក្រុមគ្រួសារខ្ញុំនឹងមានក្តីសុខ
Some of them they call to our staff, oh, please come to my home. I want to accept Jesus Christ. I want to believe Jesus Christ. So please come and lead me and my family to Jesus.
We see hundreds of people making decisions for Christ. Just in Cam Ranh alone, in the 19 villages that the maternal health program worked in 2024, there are 19 home groups established in villages that previously had no Christian presence.